Hey guys, it's Mary. So I wanted to bring you into my home and just kind of show you what arrived. The absolutely incredible 2B Mindset, the newest and baddest, no exercise, no depriving, no starvation, new program to lose weight. It's called 2B Mindset, and it's all about shifting the way that you look at food and your relationship with food, and it has a lot to focus on emotional eating. And I think that probably the majority of Americans, at least the majority of Americans that I know, struggle with emotional eating in some way, shape, or form. And you probably tried to tackle a diet here and there, or some type of lifestyle change that was very restricted, and you weren't allowed to eat this or you weren't allowed to drink that. And so this is a completely different way of not counting calories. There's no portion control. There are guidelines, but you're actually going to drop weight. And I couldn't be more honored to share this. I have 20 women who signed up in a very small, intimate, private group via Facebook. So if you haven't ordered, or if you aren't working with a coach, I want to encourage you to reach out to me, because this is something anyone can do. And if you are not in a state of mind or a season of life or a place in your nutrition journey where you want to work out, you're just not ready for that, then this is for you. This is for you. So I just want to walk you through what arrives when you order your package. Number one is your 2B Mindset water bottle. This is super, super cute. She has all these encouraging motivational words right here on the side. You can't read them, but positive people equal positive weight loss, more water, more weight loss, more sure. An open face is a happy face, one bite to taste, be productive, not destructive. Think 2 pounds at a time. I love that. Water first, veggies most. That's like her go-to motto. And out of sight, out of mind. 2 hands on the wheel. Bigger cup, smaller plate. Treat, not cheat. Right? Treat, not cheat. Make today a weight loss day. Do I need this eating opportunity? I love that. I love that. I love that. So we will be carrying this around and be showing it off. The women I know in my group are going to be doing that, and proudly sharing our journey. Okay, so you get this in your little goodies. You're also going to get her 2B Mindset guide. This is an easy go-to guide. You guys know I travel every single month. Actually, in the month of May, we're not traveling, but we are for 2 weeks in June. So this is just a simple way. If you're a paper, pencil, pen, feely kind of girl like me, then this is something that you can throw in your purse or in your bag, and you can just have this anywhere you go. Just as a quick refresh guide, remember this program comes with an Apple app. So June 4th is going to be here before you know it. Once you have that date hit, 2B Mindset app is going to be yours forever. There's never another charge, another purchase for that. So this is your go-to guide until then. But you get that, and it's pretty thick, guys. It's not like cheap. Beautiful pictures. Give you a little sneak peek. Plate it. She gives you like little ideas on way to set up your plate, so you're actually visualizing it. Oh, I love this, the kitchen guide. So you are going to be able to completely reset with Alana your kitchen, to set it up, like to actually set up your kitchen. It's almost like having an interior decorator, but it's an interior kitchen guide decorator, help you get ready. Okay, the next thing is their recipes, and I love new recipes. I've already been going through here. Coffee rub steak with roasted veggies. Now, how delicious is that? You guys know I love coffee. We are Starbucks drinkers. So that was just one of the recipes I marked off, because I'm definitely going to try that. The tempeh veggie bowl. I have a lot of paleo girls, a lot of vegan girls. This one looks absolutely delicious. And power bowls have been like my go-to lately. And they're super simple, easy to meal prep, and really good for you. So you get a recipe. It's super beautiful. It's not too big, but it's pretty thick. It's loaded, double-sided, double-paged. And then, our 2B Mindset quick guide. So this is just a simple quick guide. Alana has lost over 100 pounds with this program. So she just has a very simple, you want to read through it, your guide, okay? Don't skip this part, super important. But she is giving you a quick start how to log on and start seeing her videos. Remember, this also includes a library of videos. So it's a 41-day program, and then you're going to have 40 videos with her. It's almost like having your own dietitian who is right there in your living room, in your home, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, wherever you want to listen to her. And those video libraries, that video library is yours. Like, it's yours forever. So you can plug in, you can hear her even if you're traveling, and really listen to her guidance and her tips and tricks, and really completely let it go. Let go of the past. Let go of all that baggage and that emotional connection that I think we tend to beat ourselves up about when we go to the wedding and we have a piece of cake, or if we go to, you know, a New Year's Eve party, or even just a girls' night out and we have a couple cocktails. Like, the poison toxic mindset we have is like, I ruined all my hard work. I'm sabotaged my nutrition. I'm screwed. No. So the video libraries are going to be yours forever. Okay, this is super, super incredible. This is my favorite little gift. This is called the tracker. I love to write. I'm a writer, hence why I love writing on Facebook, and I have my Instagram. But this is something that I love journaling, and as a mama to 6 in the home under the age of 7, it's hard. It's hard sometimes to like have time to write. You guys know, you know what I'm talking about. So water first, veggies most. This is, again, you're gonna hear her say this a lot, one of her favorite phrases. But look at this. It's a simple tracker. It's super beautiful, and it has all the little areas for you to write. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. I mean, it's like totally, if you're a teacher or a mama or you're a journaler or a writer, like, this is gonna be your thing. You're gonna be obsessed with this. So it's taking you through every single day. Like, you're gonna track and journal all your food, my day. You're gonna be able to see, like, okay, what is my body responding to? What are the triggers? I'm having some gut issues. Like, what did I eat yesterday? What did I eat last week? Where did I not have the bloating? Where did I not have the gas? This is gonna be a game changer. This is gonna be a life change forever, forever. And you can order more if you want to when you run out, or you can just kind of keep this as your diary and reflect back to it. So this is yours. It's huge. It's huge. Your new tracker, and this is gonna be in your box. So what is it all? Again, tracker, go-to guide, your beautiful recipe book. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. And your quick and easy travel guide as well, okay? Along with the app, along with the gorgeous water bottle that is gonna give you bragging rights, and her video library. And you again, you need to plug in with a coach. If you are not a coach, then you need to have a coach and upline who can walk through this journey with you, motivate you, encourage you, hold you accountable. It's so much more fun. It's so much more fun to do fitness with a community of sisters. It's kind of lonely and depressing when you're doing it all by yourself, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, especially if you work in corporate America and everybody's going out for Mexican or, again, Italian, or they don't want to go to the gym on lunch break, or they don't even want to walk outside. They just want to take the elevator all the time versus the stairs. Like, surround yourself with positive people, positive energy that are like-minded, that are just like you, okay? Don't do this alone. So I'm going to upload this to my YouTube. Feel free to message me, email me, contact me, Facebook, Instagram, whatever is, you know, best for you, and let's connect if you need help. But I'm super, super excited for all my girls who have committed, and we will have another group starting. I haven't finalized the date, but I'm gonna have to open up another group because the first group filled up super fast, and I want to be able to offer more women, especially more women, more moms, more wives, more single women, more boss babes, an opportunity to change the way you look at food, change your relationship with food, and change your life forever. Okay, I love you guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.